Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. We are doing a full unboxing and review of the brand Silverwind. So if you haven't heard of Silverwind, their whole mission is to help inspire people to live more sustainably, to save the ocean and the planet, giving some eco-friendly styles to help people achieve their goals. They also donate to the charity, the Ocean Conservancy. Just a really great brand to work with. Thank you so much, Silverwind, for sending me these activewear sets. I am so excited to share it with you guys and review and unbox them and just spread awareness that cute fashion can also be sustainable. But before we get into all of that, be sure to take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so getting the box up. Here we go. We have Silverwind Living Sustainably. And then this cute little sticker on the bottom. Thank you for supporting our small business. Let us take you on a journey of self-discovery. So they've got that little detail there. Also like a link to their websites and socials. Looks like they're at silverwind.official on Instagram, silverwind.com. I'll be sure to link everything down below for you guys to reach out and shop and check them out. But going ahead and open up the box. Wow. Here we go. Super cute. Inside of the box. Ooh, okay. And then on the inside, it looks like I've got this little like canvasy bag. This is cute. So this little bag I got in there, and then on the back it says the same thing, move with us, stand with nature, live without limits. Ooh, this bag is made with 100% natural hemp. So that's pretty cool. Some sustainable packaging right here. Very nice. This is a cute little bag. Oh my gosh, this like setup is so cute. So you can see my two workout sets, tops and bottoms, and then they also threw in a little scrunchie. This is so cute. I love it. Such a cute little scrunchie. Okay, I'm keeping this on the rest of the haul. Very cute. And then each of these are like tied up very nicely. Look at that. Super cute. So this is the Hey Cloud double lined long sleeve top in sage green. So this is my first piece. And then the next one, these are the leggings that match it, also in the sage green. And it has this little tag on it. I don't want to touch any of this. It's like so cute. Cutely wrapped. I love it. And then here is the other set. So these are the Hey Cloud high-waisted color block leggings in carbon pink. Also wrapped beautifully. And then the Hey Cloud front pleated zip bra in carnation pink as well. And like I said, I will link all of these items that I tried on today in my description. You guys can check them out as well. Honestly, this packaging is so cute. I really like just the kind of earthy, sustainable, eco-friendly styles. I'll go ahead and open them up and take out the twine on here. This might be I don't know why I'm not afraid to cut it. Let me just try and oh, there we go. Easy peasy. And unroll this. Oh, cute. So the back has the branding on it. Silverwind right here in kind of this silver metallic color. And then the rest of it is honestly really sleek and doesn't really have like a bunch of branding all over it, which I really like because I don't like my leggings and stuff to have too much going on. I definitely like a minimalist look to them. So these ones are so cute. And actually what's a nice feature of them is they do have two pockets, or one pocket on each side, so two pockets in total, which is really nice, especially if you're going walking or running. You can just slide your phone into your pocket and you're good to go. You don't need any extra apparatuses on your body to carry your phone. As you guys know, I do have my new puppy Theo, and I take him on walks at least once a day, so this is going to be very helpful for that. I just put my phone in my pocket when I go on a walk. And yeah, so these are the pants, and the material on this is so buttery, soft and smooth and comfortable. So it's such nice quality, and honestly that's like my biggest thing in activewear, is just having something that is comfortable for me to wear while working out. Nothing worse than being uncomfortable when you're working out, and it just adds another layer of like not enjoying it. So I love feeling comfortable and in something that is easy to move in. So this is such great fabric and great quality. This is the bottoms, and then the top for this one that I got also in the sage green color. Go ahead, unbox this. So here is the top, and this top is so cute. So you can see it's this long sleeve style, and then in the front it has this really cute design. You can make it a little bit tighter. There's some adjustability there, and this also does come with removable padding on the inside. So if you're like me, I honestly love when activewear already comes like pre-padded. I think it just makes it so much easier to work out in. I don't have to worry about wearing a bra underneath and that whole situation. So having padding is really important for me, and I enjoy in my activewear. But I know some people actually prefer no padding, so this is removable padding, so best of both worlds combined in this top. You can remove the pads if you don't want them. If you like them, keep them in. I'm going to keep them in personally. Yes, this top is so cute and honestly so stylish. I love when activewear also has a little bit of style to it, where you can wear it out in the real world, you know, some athleisure going on. If you want to wear it to the grocery store, to the mall, you can look cute in your little active set. But yeah, this one is so cute. I love the long sleeve style, especially here in California. In the mornings it can be a little bit colder, so if I'm going on my morning walk, it's a little bit June gloom coming in, this is the perfect style. But yeah, so really love this set together. I think it is so cute. I am wearing both pieces in an extra small, and I think the fit is great. Again, this is just really great quality, very structured but not uncomfortable, and I think honestly really flattering on. So just 10 out of 10 on the fit, extra small, and that's pretty much my typical sizing, so I would say it is pretty true to size if you are wondering what size you need to get. And again, the fabric is pretty stretchy though, so if you are between sizes, you could probably get away with going a size up or down, just depending on what's available and how you feel in it. Yeah, overall, I think this is such a cute workout set, and the color is so beautiful, and you know, like I said, every sale donates to the Ocean Conservancy charity, so just a great deal all around. Also, these items do retail for a lot lower prices than the kind of bigger activewear brands out there, but still has just as nice quality as those. So pants retail for $58, the top retails for $56, and I feel like that price point is such a big difference compared to a lot of other high quality activewear brands, and this again is just as high quality for a fraction of the price, and on top of it, it is sustainable and eco-friendly. So really a win-win-win in all categories, in all areas. But yeah, this set is so cute, and I am so excited to wear this out and about. All right, so now moving on to my second set. Go ahead and put these to the side. All right, so here, same thing like I showed you guys, wrapped up all cute. Go ahead and unwrap them. So here are another pair of leggings, and these ones have a fun little extra color blocking to them. So same kind of deal, it has the Silverwind branding in the back and that silver metallic, but the rest of it is really sleek. And here is the design on these pants. It has like little white stripes going on. Same deal with the pockets on the side, same material as the last pants. It's just pretty much the same ones in a different color, but super cute. And then the top on this one is also so fun. I'm excited to show you guys. Here it is, and this is so cute. Oh, I love it so much. It is just a little sports bra moment with the zipper in the front and the same white accents to match the pants, and I just think this is so cute to go work out in, go on a walk in. I actually have started picking up Pilates recently, which let me tell you, it's a workout. It's intense. So I can wear these to Pilates class and look super cute while doing Pilates, because sometimes I feel like Pilates is like a bit of a fashion show depending on like what Pilates studio you go to. So I'll be killing it in this set, if I do say so myself. myself. But yeah, this top is so cute. It has, again, the Silverwind branding on the back, just small and metallic color. And then this also does have removable padding in it, which, you know, my preference. I do prefer the padding. But if you want to remove it, that is totally an option. I love the thick zipper in the front as well. I think it's very fun and trendy and stylish. Yeah, similarly to the first set, I am wearing both pieces in an extra small, and I think the fit is perfect. It is great. It is so flattering on, and I feel like that's also a great aspect of activewear, where it's already kind of flattering when you wear it. If you're looking good, you're feeling good, and I feel like that helps inspire you to work out better and harder and all that good stuff. So I do like it when my workout wear is more flattering, which this is. And yeah, again, the same really great quality as the last set. And again, the pricing on this is so incredible. So the top on this one retails for $46, the pants are $60, and such a great price point for the quality of the set, the style. It's honestly kind of crazy, and the fact that it is eco-friendly, sustainable, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's just another win-win-win. But yeah, this set is so cute. I cannot wait to wear it to Pilates, to walking my dog Theo, to just walking around, running errands, looking stylish and cute while running errands as well. This set is so pretty. Really, it makes me more excited to work out. I don't know if anybody else is that way, but when you're like excited about your outfit, I feel like it makes whatever activity you're participating in just 10 times better. But yeah, so this definitely inspiring me to book another Pilates class and take Theo on an extra walk. So overall, just another really cute set. Alright, so that was my full unboxing and review of the brand Silverwind, and just another really great sustainable brand I am so happy to share with you guys. Honestly, all of these sets were such great quality and at even better prices. And on the topic of that, do not worry, I also have a special discount code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen here if you want to save some of your money. Use the code. I will also link everything I tried on today in my description, as well as link the brand site in general. They have so much more on the site that I was even able to just show you in this video. So many other really cute sets. They have some fun pattern sets. They also have some swimwear. You know, summer's coming up. So just a lot of really great items to shop from. And again, all sustainable, all eco-friendly. Every sale donates to charity. So just a really great brand in general. And yeah, I'm curious to hear from you guys. Leave a comment down below which set was your favorite. Which one did you like the best? Were you more team pink or team green? I'm actually not sure which one I like best. I feel like they're both very different but cute in their own way. So yeah, curious which ones you guys like best. Also, if you enjoyed this kind of review and unboxing style video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share with your friends. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.